Okay, so here's a brief outline of the project with catapults. This is a catapult. And these are pumpkins that came off the 3D printer like 10 minutes ago. Oh, probably an hour now. So the point of this exercise is going to be that we're going to get 3 points on the graph of a parabola, and then we're going to find the equation of the parabola so we can use it to destroy our enemies. Yes. Okay? So the way we're going to get 3 points is we're going to start with our catapult somewhere. So, catapult, pumpkin, right? And then we're going to lob the pumpkin, so it's going to make some kind of a thing like this. And you will have to trust me on this. This deal is a parabola. Okay? What can we tell from this parabola just by looking at it?
It has 2 solutions.
Good. There are 2 solutions, right?
And it's inverted, so it's an inverted.
One here, one there. It's inverted, and it's experienced at least some form of vertical shift. And depending on where I put the x-axis,
Yeah.
there's probably also some kind of horizontal shift. Or rather, the y-axis. You guys cool with that? I would probably recommend that you put the y-axis right here, and that you put the x-axis pointed that way. Cool? So this point here where it starts is going to be 0, 0. Yeah, we could find velocity if we unraveled some frame-by-frame footage with the camera or whatever. But I think we just need 3 points. You guys recognize that we need at least 3 points to figure this thing out?
Yeah, the vertex and the root.
Yeah, so if we get the vertex and the 2 roots, we should be good, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to very carefully calculate those. Carefully.
Yeah.
But what I'm envisioning is something like this. Okay, marker down, marker down. Need more pumpkins. Okay, so, oh, that's why, because it's a chocolate tray. Okay. Obviously, we're going to need to retard our springs a little bit, or put it on the floor. But I think we should be able to lay out a big tape and measure the distance it goes, and then we can repeatedly shoot one to try to get the top. I have an 80% scale catapult and a 60% scale catapult, so we should be able to get measurements for both and try to solve the equations for both. Cool? Questions, Steels? All right, cool. The thing you need to know is that this equation looks like k times x minus okay, I lost everyone.
A sub 0?
Okay, let me do this. So, do you guys remember that we can factor a parabola?
Yeah.
Right? We can factor quadratic?
Yeah.
This is me hitting this thing with the fundamental theorem of algebra, right? I'm saying there's 2 solutions. I know that they're both real because I watched the thing leave the ground and then hit the ground. You guys see that? So one of those is x minus 0 because I'm just declaring that over here is 0. You guys with me? The other one's going to be the other spot it hits the ground. You guys with me on that? And then this guy is going to be a negative because I know it's flipped over, and some kind of something to do with the height. We'll have to figure out exactly what. And this should allow us to be actually super precise with these catapults.